Hey guys, welcome to my newest listing in Spanish Fort, a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, gorgeous kitchen, 11147 Thistledown Loop. Come on inside, let me take you on a tour. Hey guys, we're inside the front door here on Thistledown Loop, and what I love about this foyer is it's got a huge ceiling, it feels really expansive, makes a great statement as you come into the home. And right here at the front, we've got an office for those that are looking to work from home, maybe a small home gym, but it also could double as a 5th bedroom because it's got a closet. Hey guys, welcome into the great room, the living room, the center of it all. 12-foot ceilings, crown molding everywhere. It feels amazing in here. And one of my favorite features is the color of the hand-scraped hardwood floors. I love this pecan brown. It feels so good to me. And then as you come in here, along this mantle and fireplace, you've got this granite surround around the gas log fireplace. Hey guys, welcome into the kitchen. I think you're gonna love this space. So many upgrades here, and I want you to see all of them. The large island as you walk up is a great breakfast bar spot. If you look real closely at the granite, it's got kind of like a gold accent or a gold flake in the stone. Really, really pretty. And then we've got a gas cooking range, stainless appliances. And if you follow me this way, you can see you've got this vintage white cabinet with like a chocolate inlay. It looks really, really classy. I think you'll enjoy that too. And then if you come this way, the pantry is a large walk-in corner pantry, tons of space. I really dig this kitchen, and I can't wait for you to see it. Hey guys, welcome into the primary suite. Right off the living room, it's a very private room. We've got a tray ceiling with crown molding. It feels really nice in here. It opens up to a real private backyard. It's got landscaping and trees, fully fenced, and it leads to this private ensuite that has an amazing shower with frameless door. Let's go take a look. Welcome into the ensuite bathroom. I love this setup. You've got single vanities on both sides, cabinets underneath. I love the frameless door shower with the glass. The garden tub's got this nice tile around it that acts as a splash guard. And I just feel like this is a very relaxing space. I love the lighting in here. It's got recessed lighting. Got a nice window that's kind of like that icy privacy glass there. And this is a primary bath that I think you'd enjoy ending each day with. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of Thistledown Loop. Beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed the kitchen as much as I did. If you're ready to swing on by and take your own personal tour, you can give me a text, call, or email. And my name is Matt Baker, Legendary Realty, and I would be happy to meet you and set up that tour.